Hi everyone. Today I got some documentation about Redux. This is also my first time to learning Redux. Earlier, I know the basics about React and all, like use state and all the hooks. Let's learn about Redux. What is that? I got a documentation, which is all about Redux. So we can see, and let's there is a total 10 page, so we will learn one by one. So the first page is integrating Redux with a UI. Let's Yeah, why use Redux with React? Okay, so it could be the interviewer favorite question as well. So let's understand why use Redux with React. Oh, since a React component can already store data in its internal state, okay, why would you need to use Redux to manage that data instead? Yes, besides predictable state updates and centralized state handling, here is a few more reasons. So, as the definition says, Redux provide a centralized state handling as well as a predictable state updates. So, if we use Redux inside our React app, uh, it's create something predictable, like all the updates will be according to you, and you know that what is going to be happen in your website. So let's understand more reason why we use Redux inside our React application. Time travel debugging. Okay, so like it's provide kind of uh, time travel, means we can go back in history and we can update. It means like predictable, like we know that earlier that what is the output will going to come, we can say. Allow developers to step back and forth in the history of dispatched actions, see the state and UI at each point in time, and even alter the history by cancelling action. Okay, uh, we know that we uh, earlier got the update that what will going to happen in future, so we can cancel the action if there is any mistake going to be happen in future. So it's my also the first time I am learning. Whatever I understand while reading this documentation, I will just discuss here. Okay. So yeah, as so far I just understand it's a predictable, like we know that updates earlier, and we can customize before any worst action. So yeah, let's come to the third piece. Why use Redux with? Okay, again some more reason, and let's read this one as well. If multiple components need to display the same data in the different way, okay, that's the main reason why we use Redux with React. So interviewer might be asked the same question, why we use Redux uh, when already we know that we have many hooks like use state, use effect and all. So we can give the proper answer here. If multiple components need to display the same data in different way, so that's the same line we can write in our notes, and give the answer to the interviewer as well. Let's read the second line. Storing the data outside the component tree makes it easier for each component to retrieve the data it needs without having to pass it as props all the way down from top level components. Okay, so let me read once more. It's not clear for now. Storing the data outside the component tree makes it easier for each component to retrieve the data it needs. Okay, so like as the written here, so we are storing the like in the use state the props. We know that prop trailing, so we are passing a props inside like multiple functions. So I think the documentation want to clear that we are not drilling here. We are just we are storing the props somewhere outside the a function, and what's written here, without having to pass it as a props all the way down from top level components. So kind of all the props will stay on the top level, so we cannot here get the prop drilling as we are getting in our normal react. Uh, so yeah so if any components wants any props, so it will get immediate, not like first it will pass the another function, then this pass with our child, then it goes the proper element where it's need. But here is the while using Redux, it will give the direct props from the top level components. Yeah. mm, so mm, so see, as the diagram given here, so suppose here is our website layout. So one tag is master and detail and apps. So what we are doing here, we just creating a one storage. We can say it is a on top level. So on the top level, we